Hey y'all, it's your girl, that girl Bookie, and today we're gonna be doing something special for you guys. You want that? Bryson, come out! Come on, Bryson. We have a special guest, but before we get into that, make sure you like and subscribe so you can have more videos. What is it called? Video practice. This is the new guest. Bro! Now it's my turn. And today, we're going to be doing something. We're going to be acting like cowboys. We're going to do a fight. And we're going to have the voices. So, right now, we're about to do something right. We got to put the camera. Alright, I have the camera. Wait, I got to put it to the side. Now that's the window that I have up there. It's already time to start the video. Just 1 second. Where can you get in the position? Why soon? What you been starting, boy? You know the horse is ready to go to war. You know the horse has been kind of oh boy, you got shake on first. Boy, that was terribly out. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, wait, right there. We're not going to be actually hitting each other. I don't want to know. Let's go, you. Who's y'all? What's this? What you talking about? Sit down, who's y'all? Let's go, baby. Don't go, boy. Let's You got what I'm doing now? Yeah. Hey, you got don't show me. Let's go. Who can dance? Who can dance? Who daddy? Who boss? Who hang hang? Who hang hang? Who hang? Who say what? Who hang? I know that hurt. It was all about Oh, y'all. My other brothers don't mind my hair. Do not mind this hair. Let's go. Give me 1 second. You know I mind my hair, but my other brother called my brother, and we're gonna get back to work because he just came back. Alright. We forgot we were singing look like this. Cause he left our room. No, I ain't doing that. It's in that loop. We're literally dead. That's the goal. I'll block all of them. You come on, buddy. But y'all, my brother wanna look at his head. But you know what? Bryce wants to sing in my face. Bro, y'all play for you in the camera. Bro, calm down. No. He's scared of the camera. He's such a baby. Look at my white teeth. I need to move off. I'm not sleeping right here. Let's see again.